Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America. I have a retail shop here, and it is January 2026, and I've got some new information for you. I'm never too old to learn. I learned something today about the Bernina series, and in the manual on the Bernina 7 series at page 35, it says, use your screen lock before changing the presser foot. Well, that's a good idea because it keeps the needle from coming down at you. It also says, raise the needle and a couple things before you start changing the feed dogs. The presser foot. So I looked on the machine. I went all the way through. I said, well, I don't see a screen lock. And I thought, well, maybe a screen lock would be the ECO, the eco mode, because that locks the screen. Nothing will happen. You can't accidentally lower, so everything's locked up. But it also turns your light off. So if you're underneath here trying to change your foot, depending upon your lighting, it could be a little darker than you're used to. But that's what page 35 in the manual recommends, is use screen lock. Now to unlock your screen, you hit the ECO or the Eco button again, and now the screen is unlocked. So that's a suggestion in the manual, and I'm pretty sure it came from the Legal Eagles, trying to limit liability if somebody may be hurting themselves on the needle, accidentally having a cat or something step on the foot controller while their hands are underneath there. So if you're so inclined to follow every letter of the law, then that's how the screen lock works. So now the next couple things I have is I've in a serious situation of back orders. I have 131 orders of back orders sitting in my Shopify, and I'm really sorry that you're waiting for these products. I'm waiting for them too. They're not sitting in my store just because I don't have time to ship them. We are waiting for back orders from Bernina. We're waiting for back orders from the 3D printed guys. We're everywhere. I think what happened on some of the places is because of the tariffs, they were waiting for the tariffs to kind of work themselves through before they stocked up. So all their stocks got low, all the orders, they got high, and this is what happened. So please be patient with me. We haven't lost any orders. I get 5 or 6 emails a day asking the status of the orders. So Bernina's pretty tired of me calling up saying, what is the back order? So the number 11 feet are all coming in, the first batch. The number 51 are not on back order, but I sold through the number 51 feet so fast that I ran out in the store, so I'm waiting for them to be delivered. I order approximately 50 of an item from my 3D printer guy, and sometimes 50 can be sold in a week. So 50 items, and I never know what 50 are going to sell. So then I have to wait for a week and a half, 2 weeks before I get replaced on those. So sorry for the delay. I wish I could have a crystal ball and know exactly how many to have. The other thing is the cost of shipping and everything has gone up. My Shopify account has had a $50 free shipping option since COVID. I haven't changed that. So I'm raising the floor to $75 orders will now receive free shipping. So in order to receive free shipping, you're going to need to order a $75 or more. And that'll be automatically calculated on my Shopify shop. So just new things that coming for 2026. And again, my goal for this year is to have 26 videos. That's one every 2 weeks. And this is number 2 already. Thank you very much.